join us today as we're here at the fall swap meet here in Encino, I think now. All right, here we go. Got lost coming here, but let's see what they have. Need tools? We got some tool guys here. Look at that. We got some tools there. It's 2 rows, so unlike the other park, which is like kind of sprawled out, a little more widespread. You got some really cool, Big O California. Takshimazu's here. Hey, Talk. We're looking for some smaller items here. There are plenty. A lot of people here. It's an amazing day on a Sunday. Ooh, good morning. Good. Hey, Tom. How you doing? Oh, looking for a coastal redwood. Man, someone has one. I don't know. It's coastal redwood. A lot of sellers here today. Look at some people are excited. Looking for like some pots. We got some pots here. Look at check that out, man. Look at that. It's awesome. Look at those. Some pots.
Bringing nature to you.
We got some local sellers. Gabe, there's Gabe there. Some awesome pots. He makes pots too. If you're looking for a pot, look, he got some really cool pots. Looking for that. A lot of awesome sellers. Looking for some portacaries, if someone has some. Oh, nice, a little bit of everything.
Thank you so much. Thank you, appreciate it. Yeah. Enjoy.
That's Mr. Chase. Look at Mr. Chase up. You can tell it's nice styling. Really nice. That's Mr. Shade tree. That can answer Mr. Shade. Really, the Penjing style is really different. Classic.
I guess he's back on his feet now, but he's also.
We got Colin. Hey, Colin, how you doing? He's not open today, but he's here, so you know where he is now.
We'll be open at 3.
Oh, open at 3. Excellent.
Baikoen Bonsai Studio.
There you go. See?
Come check it out.
It's not that far away from here, so are you here anyways? I'll go down the other way in a couple minutes here. So I can find tea. That's Ellen. Ellen's selling her wear too. Look at everybody's selling. I like this. There's Mitch. See, Mitch is known for some of the showing, just like Peter here. So here's, oh, that's a Bert Dibii. That's the tree from yesterday. Bert Dibii, correct?
Yep, that's the long folio. That's the it's a different variety. This is the Nana next door.
Oh, there's 2 types. So what's the difference?
3 types actually. I just sold the 3rd
Take
one.
a knee, so we can talk. I can see your face too at the same time.
This is Bert Dibii long folio. This is Bert Dibii Nana. Slightly smaller leaves here, green figs. Slightly larger leaves.
With orange figs. Oh.
This is also a faster grower.
That's beautiful. How much would something be like this going for, Mitch?
This is 2 1/4.
2 1/4. Oh, awesome. So there you go. Look at that Nana. Nana's really tiny. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really
That's
small.
one. This is kind of my technique. I take multiple cuttings and braid them.
Oh, and they actually
and this is probably 10 years after the braiding.
So they fuse pretty well.
Well, you can see.
There you go. That's pretty good for a braid. That's kind of cool. So,
And it's a Sarah Rayner pot. So that's my favorite tree today.
awesome. Thanks, Mitch.
You're welcome. Good to see you, Tom.
You too. Kathy Benson's here too. Look at that. The crepe myrtles are blooming right now. You can see those are crepe myrtles. They're just about to be bloomed. You can check that out. So it's kind of nice. Look at food trucks. You guys want a food truck? Buy more stuff, I see. Some bigger stuff on this side. Bigger trees. Check those out. Really cool. So if you're looking for something, you might find something here. How you doing? I know those people back there. Used to be my co-host, but she ran away. Mr. Deep House himself. You seen that one somewhere? I've seen that somewhere before. Look at the ware he's selling. Look at that, awesome, man. Oh, we know that guy back there. So I thought that man was not coming out today, or I would have picked him up. This must be Mike's place. He said he was not coming out. I'm not gonna film him because his wife might be mad.
I didn't know what's coming.
We got Mel. Mel's selling. If you're looking for older pots, Mel's the guy that has it. You know, it's stored from his dad's shop for years. That's an awesome pot. That is an awesome pot. I might have to come back to look at that one. Hey, Mel. That's Keith's dad. Now, where's Keith now? How you doing, sir? How's retirement treating you? That's awesome to hear. This must be Peter's tree. So, yeah, it is Peter. Look at that. I can spot his work. That's awesome. Hey, Peter, how you doing?
Hey, doing good, man.
You sell out, I see already. You had a full table.
A lot.
See, they're like, yeah, it's doing well. See, people are picking stuff up. Yeah, I'll talk to you later, Brian. Mr. Grumpy Gus. Some other trees. All right, let me walk back the other way.
So it doesn't bang into the steel.
So again, you're looking for stuff. Awesome place to show up. For some pots. Check out some pots and books. So you're looking for something. I'm always looking for something in particular. Oopsie. Taxamaju's trees, if you're looking for that. He's here. He's kicking back in the background over there. Looking for some, looks like some prostradas. Not bad. Oh, there you go. If you're here, say hi to me. Or say hi to me at least. Because probably by the time this shows up. There's still stuff. I mean, there's plenty. So it's time for me to go shopping. So if you guys like it, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. See you later. See you, everybody.
You know what? I'm the first one who asked.